Hello, welcome to this tutorial. So today we just want to look at a topic, the topic mensuration. So under this topic we'll look at this question which reads, the area of the base of a cylinder or cylindrical block is 154 centimeters squared and its height is 10 centimeters as shown below. So we're able to see that cylindrical block with the base area 154 centimeters squared and the height of 10 centimeters. So the question further reads, given that the mass of the block is 385 grams, find its density. So find its density. So let's look at how we can answer this question quickly without wasting much time. So from the question, we have a few things that were given in the question. So from the question, we notice to say we have, okay. So we are saying we are given or rather we can call this as a data. So we have the base area, which is 154, and we also have the height, we can call that one h, which is this is 10 centimeters, and also we have been told to say the mass of the block is 385 grams. So now we are told to say we have to find the density. So the density is not given. So density is not given. So this is what we have in our question. So we are supposed to find the density given the base area, given the height, the mass, and we have to find the density. Okay, so quickly into our question. We know to say density is equals to mass over volume. I'm sure we all recall this one. So we know to say density is equals to mass over volume. So now, looking at how our question is, we only have the mass. We don't have the volume. And we are told that we also have to find the density. So now, let's look at how to find the volume. So we look at how we can find the volume, because of course we know to say finding the density. So this is the formula. Now in the formula for density, our volume is also included, and we don't have the volume. So now we have to see how we can find the volume. So finding the volume of a cylinder, volume of a cylinder is simply equals to, this is base area multiplied by, this is multiplied by the height. So volume of a cylinder is equals to base area multiplied by the height. So now looking at our question, it's clear that we have the base area and we also have the height. So we are quickly going to use those values. So our base area was 154, that is 154 centimeters squared. It's 154 multiplied by the height, which is 10 centimeters. I'm sure this is clear. So now let's work out that one. You can simply do that without a calculator, but if you feel uncomfortable, you can still use a calculator depending on the requirements of your institution, be it your school. Of course, some papers will not require you to use a calculator. So we have, this is 154 multiplied by 10, which is straightforward. We know this is 1,540, that is centimeters squared, cubic centimeters, which are the units for volume. So we have now found the volume. We now have the volume. So now all that's left for us is just to put it in our equation. So then we say density will be equals to, we have our mass. So our mass was 385 grams. So we have 385 grams, then over 1,540, that is a cubic centimeters. I'm sure this is clear. I'm sure this is visible enough. So now dividing that, so we have 385 divided by 1540, so we have 0.25. We have 0.25, so 0.25, that is grams per cubic centimeter. So therefore we found our density. So therefore density for this block is simply 0.25 grams per cubic centimeters. So thank you so much for following. Please subscribe, like or unlike, whichever way. So it depends on how you rate the video. So in case of any questions or queries, please comment. I'll be willing to help. Thank you so much.